Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming tethering is allowed and you have enough data. This avoids surprise throttling. Next, make sure your phone has charge or is plugged in because hotspots drain battery fast. Open Settings, turn on cellular data, then Hotspot or Personal Hotspot, set a clear SSID and a strong password. Once done, choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. This choice affects laptop compatibility and performance. On your laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu and find the Hotspot SSID you just created. Select it. You must enter the password exactly. Copy and paste from your phone to prevent mistakes. Once connected, check the laptop network icon and confirm internet access. Make sure to mark the network as metered or limited in your OS when you have a capped plan, because that prevents automatic updates and large background transfers that can burn through data. To finish, secure and optimize. Restrict which devices can connect, or use USB tethering for lower latency and less battery draw. If you need more speed, switch the phone to 5 GHz or move closer to each other. If the laptop shows connected but no internet, first toggle airplane mode on the phone, then off, and restart the hotspot. If that fails, restart the laptop, re-enter the password, and as a last resort reset network settings. This clears stale configs that block tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.